COVID-19 cases on the island weren't the only thing that reduced in the last few weeks, but the amount of calls into the Guam Behavioral Health and Wellness Center's 24/7 crisis hotline has also decreased. That's according to GBHWC Director Therese Areola. Behavioral Health reported 1,028 calls in September, 917 in October, and 570 in November. In a recent interview with KUAM News, Areola shared the number of calls made in December so far, noting a dip in calls.
And now that we're in December, the week before Christmas, we are tracking at 286 as of yesterday. So you can tell that as the community is less stressed out about the pandemic, the number of people who actually call the crisis hotline has also reduced.
Pre-COVID, behavioral health received an estimated 30 calls per month. Areola attributes the drop in calls to lower COVID cases reported on Guam.
And as you can see, it keeps going down, but that is also because the community was getting healthier. We're seeing herd immunity. As the community get herd immunity, there's less and less anxiety. And so we're really happy about that.
Meanwhile, the holidays are filled with joy and positive energy. It is as well a time for friends and family to gather, celebrate, and reflect on our many blessings. But due to the COVID pandemic, the community was restricted from doing so in the last 2 years, forcing many to be alone. Now that the holiday season is amongst us, Areola says GBHWC is bracing for the anticipation of an influx of calls in the coming weeks.
So now that the holidays is around us, this week and next week, and probably the next two and a half weeks, we do expect people to be calling. And because the holidays brings about a lot of loneliness and depression and people who are not able to be with family. And so we are ready for it.
Areola explained the top 3 reasons why people use their crisis hotline services.
Whatever caused them, whether it's the holiday season or COVID, they use the hotline. And the top 3 concerns are still depression, anxiety, and loneliness now. So, and loneliness is probably due to the holiday season.
For those dealing with the holiday blues, Areola shared this message.
Remember always 647-8833 and know that you're not alone. We're here to help you, and we're here to get you through whatever crisis and hurdles you may be experiencing during this holiday season.